Health Tips by Shah Ji present a new video. Thanks for watching.
Simple remedies for digestive health. Drink water throughout the day to aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes for healthy digestion. Consume yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi to support gut bacteria balance. Soothe an upset stomach with a cup of peppermint tea after meals. Use ginger tea or fresh ginger to relieve nausea and indigestion. Proper chewing aids digestion by breaking down food into smaller particles. Prevent indigestion by eating smaller, more frequent meals. Opt for lean protein and healthier fats to avoid slowing down digestion. Stimulate digestion and promote regular bowel movements with physical activity. Identify and avoid foods that trigger digestive issues for you. Reduce stress through deep breathing, meditation, or yoga for better digestion. Stimulate digestion and flush out toxins with warm lemon water in the morning. Soothe the digestive tract with a small amount of aloe vera juice. Relieve bloating and gas by chewing on fennel seeds after meals.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe.